Today, we're gonna put together the Adventure Ridge 4-person tent. It's 9 feet by 7 feet. You can find it at Aldi for how many dollars? $30. So here we go. We're gonna put it together in the dining kitchen area. So let's do this. So first, when you open the bag, you have the information packet right here. It comes in another cardboard box. So get out your box openers. Unroll it. Okay, as you can see, they had some of the supplies wrapped up inside the tent, so you saw it fall and make a lot of noise. Here are the poles. They come in a light green bag. This thing, which I believe goes on the inside of the tent, and you can hang stuff inside of it. It even has a hook where you can probably dry something, or you can hang a lantern, some kind of flashlight for when you're kind of getting dressed in the dark. As you can see, 3 different colors. We have a light green, an olive green, and then a pretty deep orange. So this is the front of the tent right here. I face it towards the camera so you guys can see.
Nah. Wait. That's gross. Yeah. Wait. Physics.
Okay, you just saw the assembly, the entire thing. It's not really much of a porch because rain doesn't just fall straight down. What you really want to do is make sure you have this kind of tucked in when you're getting out. And if it's dewy in the morning and there's like some drizzle, you want to pull that in a little bit so the water drips just directly down on this. And you probably had a mat under there, but yeah. So now there are 7 stakes altogether. 9. So the stakes, hammering them into the ground, you want to make sure you actually hammer them at an angle, any angle other than straight up and down. Because if you do it like this, the slightest lift for like if someone's walking by and they trip their foot on the tent, which will happen if you have kids in the campground, run it around, trip on the tent, it'll come straight undone, just like that. Over in the back of the fly, we have this string. You can put another stake right there in this thing. So that is the Adventure Ridge. You can find it at Aldi for only 30 bucks. Okay, there's 2 more features to this tent that are really awesome. Never seen this before in tents that I've had. This is an electronics port. You can actually feed an extension cord, feed that through right there. It's kind of protected from the rain as well because it's got this covering. And you can, put a TV, a PlayStation, hopefully. Maybe a rice cooker or something. Inside the tent right here. The nice thing about light green is it provides good lighting. And yeah, just like with all tents, I mean, if you guys have never been camping, you guys can see this. You can pull down that part and leave the door closed still. And yeah, it'll protect you from like mosquitoes or other bugs. Yeah, this is just to protect from moisture, sunlight, and wind. Yeah, it's got 1 back window. You can, if you wanted to, you could take off the fly and you can have everything visible at the top. Because it's got this netting right here, and you could just lay down and take a midday nap. This tent's really, really big. Okay, you can see that I am 6'3" and a quarter, or 6'2" and a quarter, and I can spread all my limbs all the way out just like this, and avoid talking to my family for a little while.
Oh, well, don't worry, God will zip you up.
Or you can put a lantern, some kind of flashlight to keep it lit.